Hi, this is Shay with TruxasSales here today looking at this 2012 Kenworth W900 with 18-foot load lane dump body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. Got the 50-50 hoist on this one. You can see it's about half outside the bed, half inside the bed. Kind of eliminates that doghouse thing. Got our new style ladders on there for 2019. Just bigger, a lot easier to climb, a lot easier to get your boot on. So definitely nice setup there on the ladder, and as you can see we got that lined up with the steel hydraulic tank on this one. Heavy duty apron. Got the hitch plate with the reverse lights on the side of the frame there. Nice 7/8 plate on there. Got the high lift tailgate system with the super strong hinges on it. This one just did lights on the bottom of the bed, but you can do lights all over the place. Electric tarp system. Fuel tank, Hendrickson steerable lift axle. That's a brand new one there. And this one just has single exhaust, but the dual chrome breathers on it. So definitely nice truck here. Go ahead and jump in the cab as well. Went ahead and left the hood mirrors on there, as you can see. Got our PTO switch on the dash. This one has one locking differential. Got the controls right there between the seat. That's our basic mechanical control package. Probably most reliable way to do the dump body controls. This is Shay with TruxasSales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.